मुकाबला एमपी योद्धास की ओर से आ रहे हैं उनके आइकॉन प्लेयर हाजी अलीयेव।
थर थर कांपे धरती आसमान भी कर सकते ना सामना। जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं उसका खात्मा। थर थर कांपे धरती आसमान भी कर सकते ना सामना। जो भी आके टकराता है कर देते हैं उसका खात्मा।
Dabur Champrash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 को पावर्ड बाय अमल में पुरुषों के 65 किलोग्राम वर्ग मुकाबले के लिए यूपी दंगल की ओर से आ रहे हैं भारतीय मूल के पंकज राणा। Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Dabur Champrash Pro Wrestling League Season 4, co-powered by Amul. Coming up is the first bout of the day 12, and that is 65 men's. And it is between MP Yodha and UP Dangal. Haji Aliyev from Azerbaijan, heading with Pankaj Rana from UP Dangal. Pankaj Rana, all of 31 years of age, participated in the World Championship. And of course, we've got Haji Aliyev, who's had a record of winning of sorts.
Match referee here, Kripa Shankar Patel.
Okay, shake hand.
Okay, that's the bout underway, ladies and gentlemen. We can see that right now, Mr. Rana being a little more aggressive, but then, yes, it's in response to somebody he is feeling intimidated by, Haji Aliyev, who's had a record of lots of wins. But yes, of course, he disappointed himself in the last bout. Yes, and he was totally disappointed. Right now, he is on the attack. And what he's trying to do is he's trying to grab the legs, and that's where most of the attacks happen in the freestyle wrestling. You have to lunge in and then grab the opponent's legs and then throw him off balance and then make the next move. Most of the wrestlers till now have been successful of lunging in and taking the flare off the balance, but then could not carry it forward as a full attack. One more time. This is what it's all about. We can see Pankaj has gone in and he has struck Haji Aliyev. Haji Aliyev has still not been able to, and now is the time when he fell down.
Red.
Haji Aliyev kept on standing as much as he could, but that was not the possibility. In the action replay we get to see he was thrown down, literally thrown down, pulled down by Pankaj Rana. And right now Haji Aliyev's response, let's see what he does. Pankaj has a 2-point advantage right now. It is Pankaj who's at an advantage. He's not letting go. There are at least the knees and the elbows touching the ground. That is when you get the point. Still, it's only one knee, but that got him at least 2 points for the advantage that he had over Pankaj Rana. Haji Aliyev is now on a roll. It's 2 points each. And it's just about 1 minute 45 seconds in this bout. Lunging in, Pankaj Rana. See, that's what I was telling you. That was the attack he could not handle. He did attack, but Haji Aliyev went on and converted that attack for himself.
4
and
points.
Then, yes, that's a 4-point advantage that he's had. And now the difference getting in. And that 4-point advantage is very big in this kind of wrestling where 65 kilograms is a very bantam kind of a weight, you know, and that's where it's easy because both the wrestlers are there, as we can see in the action replay. Haji Aliyev wanted to do that roll so that he could increase that lead, but he could not.
Haji Aliyev not at all intimidated by the crowd support for Pankaj Rana.
Well, because he does not understand the language. So who are they supporting? He would have no idea.
Absolutely.
Right now, Haji Aliyev doing his trick. He went inside, he picked him up, and he is doing a fireman's carry position kind of a sort. But then again, he turned around and did that where he is at an advantage. But Pankaj Rana's got the legs right now in his legs. So it's like a scissors where he's holding. Haji Aliyev is not able to get through that.
Haji Aliyev proving why he is the icon player for MP Yodha.
Yes, that's correct. But then they do have their bad days as well. Last bout was not that interesting for him. Right now, this is where we can see that
Finger open.
Pankaj Rana was in trouble. One more time,
Last
Pankaj Rana
10
in trouble.
seconds of
Last
round
10
one.
seconds, and there you have it. They say any second anything can happen. So 2 more points for MP Yodha. And Haji Aliyev is going all out right now.
That's a massive 10-point lead for MP Yodha. 12-2.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see that this was quite a high... Welcome back after the break. Dawat Chamarpash Pro Wrestling League Season 4 co-powered by Amul. This is the first bout, but the second round of men's 65 kilogram category. It is UP Dangal at 2 points and MP Yodha's at 12. In the com box with me, we have a very special guest, ladies and gentlemen. He's a commentator fellow. Name is Sarthak.
We're live here at the Gautam Buddha University Stadium, and Joe, the atmosphere here is electrifying. Absolutely electrifying.
Crowd's going livid.
UP crowd trying their best to get Pankaj Rana going, but he's struggling at the moment.
But you see, there were a lot of times he attacked, but then again, you have an attack, but you don't have a direction and control on your power. It just goes off the mark, and that is the time when the other wrestler has the advantage. And right now, they are trying to figure it out. Pankaj Rana with a new vigor, because it looks like his training staff has told him that he has to attack if he needs to get that. Attack is going to be the best policy right now. No defense, please.
Attack could be his best defense right now. There's only 2 minutes to go.
Well, yeah, but 2 minutes, anything can happen. We've had 7 points in 3 seconds changing hands. And that's the wonder of Pro Wrestling League, because under one roof, we've got so many Olympians. Pankaj Rana right now going in, but then again, that attack, he could not convert. See, he got stuck one more time in his own plan that he had. And Haji Aliyev, taking that advantage, has gone even further.
12-point
2
lead.
points, yes. And with that 2-pointer, he is ahead by 12 points.
Center blue.
And there we see how Haji Aliyev dominating over
Finger
Pankaj Rana.
open.
One more time, they're standing right in the middle of the mat,
finger,
and now
No finger. Red.
they
No finger.
both have been warned for trying to hold each other's wrists. Now that is not allowed in wrestling, because then the other person cannot initiate the attack. And one more time, Pankaj Rana did a dummy. He just, there you go. But then Haji Ali was present there. So that attack again goes to waste.
Yes.
See, the only thing in freestyle wrestling is the only way you can attack is below the waist, and you knock your opponent off balance and then get into a position which gets you in a point of advantage. And that's what is happening right now. Pankaj Rana is holding, and that is an armbar, but that was not possible.
Fails to help
Red.
himself. Wrestlers
Finger
grappling. There you see how the firm grip by Pankaj Rana, but to no avail.
Oh, Haji Aliyev leaping, and yes, he's gone into that position where he has gotten himself some more
We're heading to
points.
last 30 seconds of this
Accelerate.
first bout, and a clear dominance by MP Yodha over UP Dangal.
From the word
16 to 2.
From the word go, Haji Aliyev was there. See, he's leaping like a leopard, and he goes in there. Pankaj Rana is all crouched up, and he is not able to make an evasive move.
And the great thing of today's bout is that if MP Yodha win this, they head straight to the semi-finals.
Well, that's not it. This is the match day, the whole match day. So there are 6 more fights after this. So MP Yodhas are trying to get into the semi-finals, because this is their first time in this league. So as a newcomer, they have that beginner's luck, looks like.
Yes.
Oh, that's a brilliant move.
Brilliant.
Haji Aliyev has gone in, and he has gone in and made that move. That move gets him some more points. Now, this means that it is on the points difference. Let's see what makes it official. But a free raising Haji Aliyev's hands. There you have it,
Haji
ladies and gentlemen.
Aliyev, all the way from the word goat, shows us why he's come here as the icon player for MP Yoddha. The Rio Olympics 2016 participant, World Championship dominance in 2017, 2015.
मत ले पंगा।